Hey! In front of me is ULEFONE Note 13P, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. First of all, open Settings and click on Display section. Now you need to scroll down and click on Printing at the bottom. After that, you can click on Default Print Service or choose Add Service and install the preferable one. For example, I have HP printer, so I will go with this one. When it's ready, click on the back button twice. Now tap on one of your printing services and click on this switcher if it's not already on. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!